Hello students, kinetic molecular theory of gases we had completed, and that theoretical points are very well established in experimental verification also. Matlab that points are correct. If we perform experiments on that point, then it is in accordance with the experiment. But the problem arises when we tested PV equal to nRT gas equation for the gases. Experimental and theoretical observations were found different under certain range of temperature and pressure. There are two types of gases, ideal gas or real gas. Ideal gas, two types. A gas can be ideal or real. What is ideal gas? The gas which obeys PV equal to nRT, all the gas laws like Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, at all temperature and pressure condition. Such gases are called ideal gases. What are ideal gases? Gases which obeys Boyle's law, Charles' law, or we can say gas law, and PV equal to nRT, ideal gas equation, at all temperature and pressure. At all temperature and pressure. But if temperature is very low, then also the gas obey this equation. If pressure is very high or very low, at that time also all the gases will follow PV equal to nRT or all the gas laws. Then we can say that the gas is ideal. But in real practice, actually no gas is ideal gas. All the gases are real gases. Ideal तो होती ही नहीं, कारण के कोई भी gas all temperature and pressure range માં all gas laws PV equal to nRT follow નથી કરતી. Experimental અને theoretical concept differ થાય છે. Theoretically pressure આટલું આવવું જોઈએ, તમે experiment કરવા જાઓ તેના કરતા pressure ઓછું અથવા વધારે આવે. So if theoretical and practical observations are not coincident, they coincide with each other, then the gas will not be ideal. Gas is called real gas. First we'll see how they differ, real or ideal gas. All the gases, how they deviate from their ideal behavior. Then we will find out why they deviate. Theoretical તમે calculation કરો, એ practically match કેમ નથી થતું, why? And then we will correct them. क्या करें कि वो match हो जाए, theoretical or practical. So in three portions we will study this topic. Listen carefully. First we are finding how the real gases deviate from their ideal behavior under certain condition of temperature and pressure. Ideal कौन होता है? जिसका मतलब कोई गलती नहीं हो, कोई गलती नहीं करता हो, जिसमें कोई खराब आदत नहीं हो, सब अच्छा ही अच्छा, उसको अपन आइडियल बोलते हैं. कई लोगों के आइडियल नहीं होते, जैसे महात्मा गांधी बहुत लोगों के आइडियल है, हमेशा सच बोलते थे, अहिंसा, ये वो ऐसे सब. तो 90% ही इज वेरी गुड पर्सन, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज आइडियल ऑफ मैनी पीपल. तो आइडियल का मतलब होता है जिसमें कोई कमी नहीं. आइडियल गैस वो जो हर टेम्परेचर प्रेशर पे हर लॉ फॉलो कर रहा है, उसको आइडियल बोलते हैं. लेकिन रियलिटी में ऐसा बहुत कम मिलता है. कभी न कभी किसी न किसी में कहीं ना कहीं कमी जरूर होती है ना. तो किस कंडीशन में कोई पर्सन अपनी आइडियोलॉजी से डेविएट होता है, किस कंडीशन में कोई रियल गैस अपने आइडियल बिहेवियर से डेविएट होता है, दैट वी हैव टू स्टडी. सो व्हाट वी आर स्टडीइंग नाउ, द डेविएशन ऑफ behavior of real gases from their ideal behavior. What we are studying? Behavior of real gas, behavior of real gas and deviation from ideal behavior. Deviation from ideal behavior. That we have to study. Now they plot a graph between PV and T. Boyle's law में बोला था. According to Boyle's law, PV is always constant because pressure and volume are inversely proportional to each other. So PV is constant. They plotted a graph at constant temperature for different gases between PV and P, pressure. No doubt, at constant temperature. Here it is pressure and here it is PV. If all the gases are ideal gas, then the graph should be straight line. This is for ideal gas. But actually, see, if we draw graphs for different gases, how they deviate from their ideal behavior. See, for hydrogen, it is like this. For helium, the graph is like this. For carbon monoxide, it is like this. For methane gas, this way. This is for methane, CH4. If all the gases are ideal gases, तो ग्राफ कैसा आना चाहिए था? सबके लिए ये स्ट्रेट लाइन आना चाहिए था, सबके लिए, लेकिन नहीं आ रहा. एक का भी तो ग्राफ स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं आ रहा. हाइड्रोजन और हीलियम के लिए देखें तो ग्राफ मूव अपवर्ड, मींस हाइड्रोजन एंड हीलियम शो पॉजिटिव डेविएशन. Hydrogen and helium shows positive deviation from ideal gas behavior. Deviation from ideal gas behavior. If you look at carbon monoxide and methane, first they show negative deviation. See, नीचे आ रहा है ग्राफ. Then crossing this ideal gas line and then show the positive deviation. So gases like CO and methane shows negative deviation first. Negative deviation. कोई भी गैस ideal behavior तो show ही नहीं कर रहा है. Either they deviate positively or they deviate negatively. But one thing we can see that at lower pressure, this is low pressure. At low pressure, all the graph meet at point this. मतलब at low pressure, all the gases behave ideally. At low pressure, all gases shows ideal behavior. Shows ideal behavior. So all the gases are real gases. These real gases are not ideal at all condition. Only at low pressure. Graphs cut here. So they show ideal behavior. But as the pressure increases, they all deviate from their ideal behavior. अगर ideal होता हर pressure पे तो सबके लिए straight line आता, पर नहीं आ रहा है. Second experiment they observe when they plotted a graph between pressure and volume for constant temperature only. For Boyle's law only. So at constant temperature, when they plotted a graph between pressure and volume for Boyle's law, what they observed? Here we have to see pressure and this side volume, here pressure. For real and ideal behavior they were talking about. So graph for ideal gases like this and graph for real gases like this. This is for ideal gas and this is for real gas. मतलब ये experimental है. And this is theoretical. What they observed in this graph? What they observed in this graph? At high pressure, see this way pressure increase. At high pressure, this difference is called deviation. So At high pressure deviation is more. At high pressure deviation more. गैप ज्यादा है, कोइंसाइड करना चाहिए था ग्राफ. कोई भी गैस हो उसके लिए थियोरेटिकल और एक्सपेरिमेंटल गलत थोड़ी आना चाहिए, अलग थोड़ी आना चाहिए, सेम आना चाहिए. तो दोनों ग्राफ कोइंसाइड होने चाहिए थे, कोइंसाइड नहीं हो रहे हैं. और यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो गैप बहुत ज्यादा है. If we see at this particular pressure, the real volume is this much and ideal volume is this much. कम आ रहा है रियल वॉल्यूम, आइडियल वॉल्यूम से रियल वॉल्यूम कम आ रहा है. जैसे अगर अपन PV इक्वल टू NRT अप्लाई करें, सॉरी P1 V1 इज इक्वल टू P2 V2 अप्लाई करें किसी गैस के लिए, है ना. मैंने पहले प्रेशर 10 लिया, वॉल्यूम 100 लिया. अब प्रेशर मैंने 20 कर दिया, तो वॉल्यूम कितना होना चाहिए था? कितना होना चाहिए था वॉल्यूम? 50 होना चाहिए ना. लेकिन 50 नहीं आ रहा है, उससे कम आ रहा है. आइडियली 50 आना चाहिए, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा आ रहा है. सॉरी 50 से ज्यादा आ रहा है, 50 नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हैं तो 50 आ रहा है ना. और लैब में जाके यही कंडीशंस में आप कर रहे हो तो वॉल्यूम ज्यादा आ रहा है 50 से. ऐसा कैसे? हाउ दे डेविएट? थियोरेटिकल प्रैक्टिकल सेम होना चाहिए ना. लेकिन सी दिस इज आइडियल, कम आ रहा है, रियल वाला ज्यादा आ रहा है. और वो गैप भी ज्यादा है हाई प्रेशर पर. जैसे जैसे आप प्रेशर कम कर रहे हैं गैप कम होता जा रहा है. At high pressure deviation more, as pressure decrease deviation less. As pressure decreases deviation less. और एक particular point पे, यहाँ पे देखो, very low pressure, what happened? Both the graph coincide. At very low pressure both graph coincide. What it mean? They show ideal behavior. All the real gases show ideal behavior. In previous graph also we had seen, and in this graph also we had seen, that at very low pressure real gases show ideal behavior. But as the pressure increases, deviation starts. Very high pressure, deviation is more. So all the real gases do not show ideal behavior at all the pressure range. If the pressure is low, the deviation is less, but as the pressure increases, they deviate maximum. Clear? Now we have to find out the reason. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why it is so? एक ही आना चाहिए ना. एक्सपेरिमेंटल थियोरेटिकल कंसेप्ट अलग अलग थोड़ा आना चाहिए. लैब में जाके प्रेशर मेजर करूं और कैलकुलेशन से प्रेशर मेजर करूं तो सेम आना चाहिए ना. तो ही तो लॉ करेक्ट है ऐसा बोलेंगे. और लॉज तो एक्सपेरिमेंटल करेक्टेड थे, तो एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रूफ से ही बनाए गए थे, फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है? तो काइनेटिक मॉलिक्यूलर थियोरी ऑफ गैसेस में जो हमने पॉइंट्स पढ़े उसमें से 2 पॉइंट हैं वो इनकरेक्ट हैं. देयर इज सम some points, out of that 2 points are incorrect. Which 2 points are incorrect? That are, there is no force of attraction between the molecules of gas. In one point of kinetic molecular theory of gases, they assume that there is no attraction force between gaseous molecules. So they find out the cause of this deviation. So what is the cause of deviation? Cause of deviation. 2 cause है. Number 1, 2 points in kinetic molecular theory of gases is wrong. Which 2 points? Number 1, there is no force of attraction. No force of attraction between gaseous molecule. No force of attraction between gaseous molecule. पहली बात तो ये उन्होंने गलत बोली. 2 गैस मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में कोई अट्रैक्शन नहीं है ऐसा उन्होंने बोला. लेकिन अट्रैक्शन होता है, ये अभी प्रूव करके बताया गया। अगर अट्रैक्शन नहीं होता, ये कैसे उठाया मुद्दा कि ये गलत है, अगर अट्रैक्शन नहीं होता मॉलिक्यूल्स में तो प्रेशर अप्लाई करने से गैस लिक्विड में चेंज कैसे होता? जब आप प्रेशर अप्लाई करते हो तो गैसियस मॉलिक्यूल कम क्लोज एंड दे कन्वर्टेड इनटू लिक्विड. If there is no attraction, then why they come close? Why they converted into liquid? So if this point is correct, how the liquefaction takes place? It means that, और गैस तो liquefy होता है. It means that this point is incorrect. Second point they found incorrect, that is volume of gas molecule is negligible compared to space occupied by the gas. Volume of molecule of gas. Second point is volume of gas molecule negligible, very small compared to space between them, compared to space occupied by them or space between them, compared to space occupied by them. So because of these two points, real gases show deviation from their ideal behavior. Clear? Now how to correct these 2 points so that all the gases at all temperature and pressure follow PV equal to nRT or all the gases law, that we will study in next video.
The R